Phil from AirRide, and today is an exciting day. We've got the first of the Viair 485 compressors. They're so new, they're in their white boxes, they don't even have pretty boxes. So let's have a look what we've got in here. Oh, this looks lovely. Here we have normal Viair compressor, lovely, heavy duty, beautiful looking thing. But the secret of this one, the new 485, is this cylinder head. This is the new design. This is the first of the generation 2 head. And what it means on this particular compressor is it does 100% duty cycle at 200 psi. So it's a really, really beautiful compressor, more than enough for any air suspension needs. And we also sell a lot for people using them for a lot of other uses as well. But what else comes in the box? Well, in the box you've got your fuse. This compressor is a heavy duty compressor, so it needs a heavy duty fuse. You have your filter housing. These compressors are really good because they have a removable filter, and the filter filters out all the dust and the particles that it might otherwise suck in, and if it sucks in those particles, it will cause the compressor to wear, so the filter is really, really important. And also it comes with spare filters, so we can actually service the compressor, and that's one of the reasons that these compressors last so long, is because they have this filter housing and this filter. So what else have we got? They all come with a relay. This is a heavy duty relay, which is what switches the compressor. You can't switch the compressor on and off just with a switch. You need a relay to do the switching, which is easy to wire up, and you can see on the website exactly how to wire up. Then we have a whole bunch of fittings to go with it, and a little tiny piece of hose, which is brilliant if you're going to remotely mount the filter. So this filter normally mounts on the end of the compressor, but it doesn't have to mount on the compressor. You can mount it a distance away and use the line to actually inflate it, to get the air between the two. And obviously we have fittings so that you can bolt it down. Most people fit it in the boot of their car, but it can be underneath the chassis, underneath the van if you really need to. So that's pretty much it. This is a dual pack, so there are 2 compressors here, so we've got a duplicate bunch of equipment. Now this box should have the new black ones. So it's exactly the same compressor, but it's in black. It comes with all the same equipment. So that's just a quick introduction to the 485 and what it comes with. These compressors are available either as single compressors or as dual pack compressors. They're all on the website, and we'll be showing you some more information about them soon. So for now, thanks for watching, and please check out the website at airride.co.uk.